Hello everybody and welcome back to my corner of the internet. My name's Rob and you may be wondering where I've been for the past month. Well, if you've been watching the live streams of 3D Experience World 2020, you might have caught it. I was selected to be part of a hackathon to replace the LN4, which is a prosthetic that is given for free to people who need it the most. So I've been working really hard for the past month to create this. This is a prototype of our design. So using compliant mechanisms, we were able to create a very simple, easy to manufacture and robust solution to a fully mechanical prosthetic. So you want to lock the grip down, press down on the knuckle and it locks, and want to unlock the grip, press down on the finger and it unlocks. It took a lot of late nights to figure out how to get that to work. So that's why I've been relatively quiet on the YouTube channel. So yes, I am still working on the 12.5 tips for the surfacing exam, and I should be able to get that out within the next week or something like that. But the reason I'm making this video is that I really need your help. There is a voting segment of the 3D Experience for Good Hackathon, the prosthetic project that we've been doing. There's 5 other teams that created designs as well as myself. And if you would like to vote for us, that would be so great. The only thing is that they've made it a little bit tricky to vote. So I'm gonna go over quickly how to do so in this video. So the first thing you wanna do is go to solidworks.com/vote. And that's the easy part. But the next part is it asks you to log in with your 3D Experience passport. Now, not everybody has this, but if you're already a SolidWorks customer and have a my.solidworks login, that should work for this 3D Experience platform. So you can log in and then it should bring you to a question like this where it'll ask you to vote. I am Team Armada, also known as Team 1. So if you want to vote for Team 1, that'd be greatly appreciated. So if you don't have a 3D Experience passport, it's actually pretty quick to create one. So what you do is you go to register a new account, enter your email, name, hit OK, and the voting should be open for you. It should take just a couple minutes. So yeah, it's kind of a pain still. Like I wish I just did this on a regular poll that you just go to a link and you just click, but you know what? I'll cut you a deal. If Team 1 wins, if Team Armada wins, which is my team, if Team 1 wins, I will make a video or even a series of videos. It may even have to be a series at this point. I'll make a series about how I designed and prototyped this prosthetic. It was quite challenging and very interesting. And I think the most important part was these marked forge components. Let's see if the camera wants to focus on that. There we go. The most interesting part about this prosthetic are the steel wires that I embedded into the marked forge parts. They don't slide around, and there was a trick that I did to get it to do that. So if you're interested in how that was done, make sure you go to solidworks.com/vote and vote for Team Armada. Thanks so much, guys.